Hello everybody, Steamboat Productions here, and we are officially back with the wooden train reviews. And today, I will be reviewing the BRIO mini steam train. So, this guy was released as a part of a set of, I think, I got the, hold on, I got the little thing here of, 5. Comes with, of course, the steam engine itself, the bullet train, the diesel, the police car, and the truck. And yeah. So I guess we could just get on with the engine itself. This guy is really cute. He's black, he got a little red chassis with red wheels. He's got his little tanks. We got the BRIO logo right there. And we got, the funnel with a little gold little stripes and some boiler bands. Here we got the front with the little, I think, headlamp. Little front. I think this is, just like the other ones in this set these are just shortened versions of, I think, previously made BRIO items. Like, this guy is a shortened version of the bullet train they made. This guy is a shortened version of the F unit they made. I got another F unit that I will review next, so stay tuned for that. This is a shortened version of the police car, shortened version of the truck, yada yada yada. I think this is the shortened version of that other, I think the one steam engine they made, which I really need to get my hands on. I had that guy in mind for a while. So yeah, let me get a piece of rolling stock to see how it looks behind one. I guess I'll get big gondola right here. Yeah, not bad. It does its job. Being a little tank engine, and got a little magnet on the front. That's literally, I think, my only problem with this guy right here. Is they had space for like a regular magnet, so why do they have to put the little button magnets that they barely use anymore on this guy? It's weird, it's odd. But yeah, this guy is really cute, and I recommend seeking him out. And yeah. So I think I see y'all back when I have, I think, some rail fanning shots of this guy. Classic steamboat video style right there. So yeah, see y'all in a second.